Pwede ka ba? Pwede naman. Lutuin natin.
Mamaya, tanggalin natin yung coins ni Ate Phoebe.
Ano tayo your hair? Let's tie your hair para ano. And remove your headband first. Remove your headband first. I have lots of towel here.
Lalaki kasi ito eh, sa totoong buhay eh.
Hirap.
Come here!
Sama ka ni Dana, go. Dali.
This is scary. I'm
You're going up, you're going up.
away.
I thought you gonna go up. Lalagay yung kasunod. Dana, hold.
Oh God.
Hi! Hi! Look! Hold lang. Hold.
Ow. Hey, let's go here. I didn't want to.
Literally, pamong talaga. Sick kasi. Oo nga, si Kuya Sick. Parang ano.
Ow! Dog feeding. Aw,
Yes, anak. Pwede din. May chicken ba?
hey, I got a feather. It's coming towards me. I got it for me. Yeah. Oh. Get them.
Can we pet them? Ayun, tingnan mo si Seth.
What?
Namumohok yung buhok niya, nako.
Oh.
Dami nila.
How many are they gonna come? Ouch, you're eating me. You're too aggressive.
Ang taba o mati, ano?
Stick out your finger, it will eat it. Hey, come back here, honey. Honey, come here. Bro! Oh, you want me?
Ano ka ba? Meron yan yung kalaban ni Kumpi Panda?
Ah,
tama.
oh, wow!
Di ba yung kalaban niya?
Walang choice.
Oh, you get... Oh my God.
You watch ano?
Alam mo nung maliit sila, parang natatakot kami.
Hey, hello. Hello. What do you do? What do they want to eat?
Sabihin mo sa kanya, do you make milk?
Yes. Can I eat this? It snatched me. It snatched. Getting fed yet. Oh, you don't want me, huh?
Go, Mati.
Maddie, come here. Come. This guy, this one. Hello. Get me. Come on. They're fighting.
Ano tayo malakas?
It looks...
Lakas! Ang lakas! Oh no! Ikaw!
Oh, come here. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're so aggressive. Eat it. Oh.
Lalo na sa Canada, ang malaki.
Ayun, oh, feed mo yung isa pa.
Oh God. Gonna put this on top. Come. Go. Come eat it.
Hey, Mom.
Come here. These are your last bites.
Mati,
It almost got to my. It's gonna watch it.
I want to ride the house.
Gonna ride? You're riding the horse?
Nope.
Ay, why are you here using?
Pagod siya.
Klase.
Ma, dito ka din.
Padala.
Gonna try? Try it also. No? Oo, you're gonna wear?
Lakas maka Don Paul, no? Don Paul.
Yes! Woo! Yes.
Ikaw naman.
It's just like the thing.
Ay, no, dalawa tayo.
Just the small one.
Ken, look at my hair.
Samson.
Wow, careful ah.
Tapang ng mga batang.
Okay, no kicking, okay?
Okay, okay. Wow!
This is actually so fun. My dad. Do not attack my dad. Mommy!
Pastor, muha na. Run, muha na.
I wanna ride again.
Later you will go to the zip line. Hmm?
Yay!
Parang sabi ko, isang oras pa lang. 45 minutes.
Ay, no, wait. Kayang-kaya ba rin? Ah, tara. Kaya tayo nito. Oh,
Mami ka, babaw.
hindi kailangan pantay si dito ka. Kaya ka ba?
Kaya ko. Basta may mukhang TV di.
Wait, dala.
Iba.
Ito, daddy.
Dad. Dad.
Oh, yun.
Wala akong hinahawa.
Ito pala yung path niya.
Normal on. Ano lang? Normal on.
Oh, what? Alin dito sa child? At yung lighter
Mami, masyado old style yung ano.
Siya mga bata talaga. Yun lang yung pinunta mo doon.
Anong day kayo doon? Saturday. Daming tao na ako. Mag-ano kayo? Hindi sana mag-ano ka. Ano dyan na pala? Ang bilis. Ang init. No. Riding?
Observe mo na.
Sabi kayo ni Ate Kiki, Dana?
Wala na, malayo yung maze. Ay, takot siya. Sige, live mo na yan. Sige.
so fun. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me. No. No, Yagan! I want to do it again, but with you.
No.
Come on. You made it backwards. I want to do it. Yeah.
No. No na, no.
Pikit ka lang. Close your eyes na lang.
Nagpapanggap ng tao yan.
Alright!
Dito lang po hawak po.
Hawak.
Nandyan, yan. Okay, ready?
Nana, dito ka hawak na.
Nandyan. Ready?
You're faster! God bless you! I want with that Phoebe.
Want me dati, Phoebe? Oh, you tried it there. Wait.
Start na kayo na ang start. Start na.
Ow.
Wait. Wait.
Ano to?
Angat yung paa nyo.
Yan.
Huwag ka magganon. That's scary.
Nangyari, this is like your turn lang.
Ma'am, hindi kami nagsisilter.
Timati, come here. Jump shot, jump shot. Jump shot.